Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just want to show you guys today how to get analog readings from your capacitive soil and moisture sensor end to end from the physical setup to the code setup in MicroPython using thawing. So the first thing you want to do is have, of course, your components, your Raspberry Pi Pico, and your capacitive soil and moisture sensor. And you want to wire exactly like this. I took this diagram from some gentleman online. I'll link his website in the description below, but pretty much you just want to have ground to ground, as you can see there in the black. You want to power it via the red pin, which is pin 37 on the Raspberry Pi Pico. And you want to interpret the analog output signals from the capacitive soil and moisture sensor on pin 31. And the reason it's analog is because this is how they designed it, and pretty much what that's going to give us is just a raw analog value. It's not going to tell us the moisture straight out of box. We actually have to use calibration processes to do that. And I'll do that in the next video, but for this video I'm just going to show you how to get the analog values and show you how they work. So once you have this set up, it should be straightforward. Let's jump into the code. Okay, now jumping in the code for this one, it's really simple. The only thing we have to do is pretty much get the analog to digital value from that pin that we just plugged into, as you saw on the previous screen. And we're just printing the raw value. So this is how you print the raw analog value from that pin. And we're just doing that every 0.5 seconds. So if we go ahead and run this, everything's set up, bam, we should start getting values. And ideally, this will change based on the moisture content of the sensor. If you put it in moist soil, it should be higher. But from what I've seen with the sensor and from what many people online have seen, this is a really cheap and unpredictable sensor, and a lot of times you're gonna have to buy a pack of them just to get one to work. So just in general, I'd veer away from this sensor. This is how you use it on a simple level. If you wanna actually get moisture values from it, you have to perform a calibration process, because this only gives us raw analog values. There's many calibration processes that you could follow online, from linear curve fitting to other types of curve fitting that will get you more accurate representations of the moisture. But in general, I say this is a cheap sensor. But regardless, I hope you learned something from this video, learning how to set up the sensor and learning how to get the raw values from the sensor. Let me know what you want to see in the comments below if you want me to do a calibration process for the sensor, in fact. And please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see in future videos as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.